Let's understand the condition of the brain when the child is asked to write long answers. Okay, what's happening inside the brain? It's very easy for us to tell that you're lazy, you don't want to do, you're not active, you're this, you're that. Very easy. But what is happening to them? So, what is happening to a teenage brain? Is the teenage brain fully developed? And the answer is no. It is in the process of developing. So, what happens? Their brain is actually working like a CEO, a construction worker, and an editor at the same time when they have to write. CEO is somebody who thinks, construction worker who does, and after doing, you have to edit your work. That's where your whole writing is complete. So now we will discuss what are the 7 neurological and psychological challenges that make long form writing particularly difficult for teenage children. So let's understand the 7 powerful reasons why are children not, teenage children especially, not willing to do long answers. What has happened inside their brain which did not happen in your brain or the brains 10 years ago? The first one is under construction of prefrontal cortex. What is a prefrontal cortex? Now I'm talking about a little bit about brain. Prefrontal cortex is here. And this, which is the duty of this part of the brain, is executive functioning, which is responsible for planning, organizing, and impulse control. When we are talking about children of teenage, this is the role that the prefrontal cortex does for all of us. But in their case, it is still developing. So what is the challenge? Long answers require students to plan the beginning, the middle, and the end before they start. Because of prefrontal cortex, it is still developing. Teens often struggle to create logical roadmap, leading to answers that ramble and lose focus. So what does one of the mothers say? My son will write in 1 word or 1 sentence. The reason is this. Under construction of prefrontal cortex, the body, it's like under construction of some muscles, we will not be able to hold the ball. When the child is small, they won't be able to hold the glass, they won't be able to hold the spoon because under construction of this muscle. Now this we are talking about the brain muscle.